Hey, and welcome to my channel. It's soon Easter time, and here in Sweden, Easter is time for bright colors, painted eggs, and of course, lots and lots of chocolates. Easter is a big part of the Swedish traditions, whether people celebrate it for religious reasons or for the love of the bright color and the nice traditions. There is one thing we all agrees about, is the big chocolate ball sitting on our coffee tables. And in today's video, I am going to try to make one. Ready to start? Let's go. I have got those bunny shapes molds online to have a realistic looking bunnies. Silicone is not the best material to use as a ceramic mold, but if you have patience, it will work. So let's start with casting those molds. For this project, I'm using reclaimed clay. So those bunnies, they might be different colors than the plate, but I don't care really. So it's been a few days. I thought I would be throwing the balls until my bunnies dry, and they dried, and I demold them and make new ones, and I throw nothing and trim nothing. So I think hand building is faster because I can hand build everything in one day, and then I don't need to trim. Easter behind the door, I don't have time for that. I need those to dry so I can put them in the kiln, bisque fire them, and then glaze them and all that. I have all this reclaim and this is part of it, but I think this will be enough. I will not need to get the other one, and the other one like reclaim from something else. I don't want to mix too much. I insist that rolling slab should be classified as torture. I am going to use this picnic plate that I got from my kitchen to measure how big the ball would be. I think I can get like 2 out of this slab. I guess it's this. My clay is still very soft, like softer than it should be, I guess. It is what it is. Now how I lift it up. I can't. It's stuck! This is the downside of using like super wet clay. It gets sticky, and now I don't know how to lift my circles. To make a long slab, I just start with coil. I just squeeze it between the palm of my hands, and then I just try flatten it a little. And then it might be better if I go that direction instead, like this. I would like to have one seam to attach and not have like several pieces and have to make more joints. Not sure about the height, maybe not very deep, but higher than the bunny. I want the bunny to be buried under chocolate. If you wonder about my guards, they are 7mm and I'd like to use 5, but my 5 is lost. I don't know where it's that. So I roll it and then put the sides. I'm gonna make another one now. If you notice green stuff in my clay and you are wondering what's that, it's mold. It's been a few hours now and my clay is a bit harder and sturdier. My only concern that this is very short, but it's okay, we'll find a solution if it is. I'm also using some bucket lids as bats to move my pottery because I don't have bats, so they work. Or that's what I'm hoping. So let's start putting our pot together. Couple of days and my plates are dry, which make it easier to carve too. So now it's time for carving. I want to have a stopwatch to see how much it will take me to carve this plate because I feel it's gonna take a long time. So now we are ready. I'm using this carving tool to carve the bottom of my plate just as an indication to grass because I want my bunny in the middle and I want it to look like it's a bunny in a field. So let me bring you closer and let's start carving. 41 minutes and 15 seconds. That is how long it took me. This was a very relaxing and nice process until I straightened my back. It hurts so much. It feels like someone's stabbing me with a knife made of fire. So when I'm done with the other plates, I think I will be the Hunchback of Stockholm. I'm not gonna bore you with watching me doing the same process again. I'm just going to do it off camera and then I will show you the final result. But what I'm going to show you is how I'm gonna attach this cute bunny to my plate. And for the first time, I have slip to use. Attaching the bunny is so easy as just scratching the back applying a lot of slip. And then just find the center of my plate and pushing it down. And I'm using a brush to take off the excess clay I have from the slip. And that's it. It's ready. Now I'm going to finish the other plate, wait for this one to dry, and then fire it. Yay, nothing exploded. Cute. Not even a crack. Here is my bowl, fresh from the kiln. I'm so happy with those. This one a bit too wonky for what I like, but this one is very good. I think this is the one I'm going to use. Now I know you are asking yourself, hey Mariana, where is the glaze? Isn't it supposed to be shiny and colorful? Well, you're right. The plan is to have this baby glazed, fired and full of candy for Easter, but real talk, I ran out of time. I just got my kiln recently. Yay! But I did not do my first glaze firing yet, and I don't want to rush this piece and risk ruining it or ruining my kiln. You know how ceramic could be unpredictable little beasts. So instead of rushing myself now and giving you guys a ruined piece, I decided to take a step back, breathe, and then finish it later. Because honestly, I would rather give you guys a finished piece later than a ruined one now. That said, this is just the beginning. Future video will show you a full glazed pieces, and I have so many cool ideas that the kiln is here now. So if you want to see the final result of this baby after I glaze it, follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link down below. I will be posting a photo of the final results there. Happy Easter and see you in the next one. Glazed and glorious. Thank you for watching. Bye.